first create a shortcut on our desktop. So let's go to my user files. Let's go to say documents. Let's pick one of these. So we're just going to right tick one of these and left tick copy. Minimize this and create a temporary shortcut on your desktop. We'll get rid of this later. Right tick and go paste shortcut. If you try and drag this down here, it still says no. There's a couple more things we need to do. Right tick your shortcut, show more options, properties, and what we're going to do here is type in C:/Windows/Explorer .exe and press spacebar. Make sure there's a space between it. Click apply and OK. Now you can create a link down here on your taskbar and then go back and delete the shortcut. If this helps you save time, please hit the like and subscribe button for more easy Windows tips every week. Catch you in the next one.